Okay, so differentiation, you should be able to do part A, find the velocity, and you see every question will be the same. It's just the function will change. Okay, so what is the problem with 1B? 1B says state the initial position. I want to find initial position. Okay. So this word, initial, what does it give you? What does it mean when we say initial? Nicholas?
T equals 0.
Correct. So you have this. When T equal to 0, position. What are you looking at for? Huh? Madeline?
What was the question, Miss?
Yeah, this is a question. I just want to know, what do you know the meaning of position?
Oh.
You fail to answer this question is because you don't know the meaning of position. So that's why I asked Madeline. Madeline, may I know, do you know the meaning of the word position?
Location.
Okay, that is in normal word, but in kinematic, what do you mean by position? If I state the word position in kinematic, for kinematic, correct? When I state the word position, I as a student, I straight away must know it is referring to Advika?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, position. I want the position is referring to what?
The starting point or the
No.
distance from the origin.
The what?
The distance from the origin.
The distance from the origin. Okay, if you tell me the distance from the origin, yeah, you are right. But I still don't know what to do. Because in maths, we are talking about function. So which function must I go to? Which function must I go to? Adil Aiman?
The displacement when t equal to 0.
Yeah, so I must go to the displacement function. So which is the displacement function?
T.
Yeah. So you see, when you do maths, correct? If you don't know which function you are supposed to go to, you definitely cannot find the answer. So when you talk about position, I will straight away think of so therefore, when I answer this question, I will answer as 0. You see? So this will be 8 plus 5 times -3 times 1. So it's -7 meter. So this is called initial position. So if you interpret, how do you interpret this? Ashbin Darren. If I want you to interpret, how do you interpret this, Ashbin Darren?
Yes, miss. Sorry.
Can you interpret this? Initially, the object is Aswindaran, continue.
No, I'm not sure, Miss.
You cannot say you are not sure. It's a very irresponsible answer. As a student, when you have learned something, you make sure you know what is it. You have to try to answer it.
So wait, can we say it's 7 meters from the origin?
Okay, when you say from the origin, okay. Yeah, good try. This is the origin. So when you say from the origin, this is the right side. This is the left side. So which side are you talking about?
Left side.
Yeah, so you have to specify.
So I
So
must say to the
initially-
left.
Initially, the object is 7 meters
To the left.
to the left of what?
To the left of the origin.
Yes, you are right.
Okay.
Okay. So this is 1 mark question. I didn't ask you to interpret, so you can just give me this answer. So when I discuss the practice test, it's not just for this test, it's for if the question asked in that way. Okay. Are you okay? So any further question on that? Okay, good. Now, so now we go on to part F. Find the total distance traveled by the object in the first 5 seconds. Okay. So if you want to find the total distance traveled by the object in the first 5 seconds, so my marking scheme is wrong. So can the teacher make a calculation issue? Can. So you as a student, you should check. Hello, are you clear? So if my answer is wrong, you tell me my answer is wrong. It's okay, it's fine. It's possible for me to make mistake. I'm not perfect, okay? So let's look at 1F. This 1B, 1F. So you want to find the total distance traveled by the object in the first 5 seconds. So how to find total distance traveled in the first 5 seconds? What method do we use? Okay, can I have someone to explain to me? Okay, Thaddeus. If you want to answer part 5, what must you have in mind? So first of all, do you know the meaning of first 5 seconds? Okay, Thaddeus.
You need to list down the information you get from the previous question.
Yeah, so what are the information?
The initial position of the object.
Okay, so I need to know the initial position.
And then when the object change its direction.
Okay, so this is initial. Changing direction. So when does it change direction?
At t equal to 3.5 seconds.
Okay, 3.5. So then?
Then the end position of the object.
End.
5 seconds.
When does it end?
5.
The first 5 seconds means it start from t equal to 0 to t equal to 5, correct?
Yes.
Okay, good. Azif, what is the value of S0? What is the initial position?
-7.
-7. Okay, what is the position when the object changes its direction of motion? Azif?
At 3.5.
Yes? Yeah, t equals to 3.5. So what is the answer? What is the position?
8 plus 2.5
Go to the answer and check. See what is it.
Miss.
8.002279.
Huh?
Okay, and S5 will be 8.000454. So this question it is very near to each other. So after I have done this, then what should I do? Bram? After I've done this, what should I do? Make it 4 decimal place, up to you. No, after I've done this, what should I do? Can you tell me what should I do? Okay, you can straight away find the total distance traveled if you know how to. If you don't know how to, what should you do? Sine diagram? Is it sine diagram or motion diagram? So you have to learn how to draw motion diagram also, because in exam, I may ask you to draw motion diagram. Christopher? Is it sine diagram or motion diagram?
Motion diagram.
Yes, you are talking about motion diagram. So when you talk about what do you mean by motion diagram? Motion diagram means it's a diagram whereby it shows where is the object at a certain time. So this is the displacement line. And we mark a 0 as the origin. Correct? So at the beginning, where is the object? Where is the object at the beginning?
7 meters to the left.
7 meters to the left. So here. Am I right?
Right.
So after that, the object, where it changes direction of motion.
8.002279.
So it's at the right.
Right.
8.00228. I put it like that. Correct? So that means it's from here, it moves to the right. So this is called motion diagram. Then after that, it changes its direction of motion. Then at 5 seconds, it is here. And this point, it is 0.08.00 0, 4, 5, 4. So therefore, the total distance traveled so by this motion diagram, can you tell me how you get the answer? Brandon. Brandon,
Yeah.
how you get the answer?
Uh, 8. The 8.002 minus 3 first. Is it?
-3, where got -3? My answer is wrong already.
Oh.
My is -7.
Oh, -7.
Huh? -7?
That -7. So +7.
Okay.
I did
Correct.
it.
Yeah, you're correct. You're right. Here to here is, okay, let me draw in red. Here to here. If you don't want, you can just based on this. Here is 7. Here to here is 8.00228. Here to here is 8.00228. Take away 8.000454. So there are many ways of doing it. So up to you how you want to do it. For me, I will prefer to look at this sign diagram, this motion diagram, and I get the answer. Hello? So it's your choice. So I get the answer as 7 plus 8.00228. If I don't want to type in twice, I will say times 2 here, then take away 8.000454. So I use my calculator and I get the answer. That's it. So if anyone you can do without motion diagram, is also fine.
Miss, why need 2 times 2?
Why need 2 times 2? Okay, let me show it to you. You see here? You see here? Are you okay?
Okay.
If you can't, I can rewrite the function as, I can rewrite it as like that. 8.0228. So it depends on individual when we do our task. Okay, then I delete this off. Then I put a plus 8.00228, take away 8.000454. So depend on individual. All this can be done with the calculator. Are you okay? So that's why here times 2. So when come to working here, it's up to you how you want to write. That is none of my business. You get me? Hello? So all this is a must to know. Definitely there will be a question like that. The only difference will be the function. So you see this question itself carry how many marks? So I just want to let you know, if you want to score your test, class, make sure all your SAT you score. Okay, I off the record first. Okay, let's go to question 2. Okay, when you talk about question 2, this is optimization. So it's your ability to form the equation. So I can't help you in this in the sense that the question can change. So a TV company has 1,000 subscribers who are each paying 100 per month. Okay. So we have two variables, number of subscriber and the subscribing fees per month. Okay. The company proposed to increase the monthly subscription, and it is believed that for every increase of $1, 5 subscribers would discontinue. So after you read this statement, so what is the maximum number of subscribers? Chunyi, what is the maximum number of subscribers?
1,000.
Yes. So straight away, I know that maximum number of subscriber is 1,000. Okay. So what is the maximum? What is the minimum payment per month? So all this is you have to know is, yes, thank you, $100 per customer, okay? So now, if the number of subscriber is X, state the possible value of X. So part A, from here, you are able to answer part A. So X must be less than or equal to 1,000 or greater than or equal to 0. Is it this one? So we have yet to see. So for the first question, part A, if you answer like that, I will accept it. Okay. Possible value only, I'm just saying. Okay, so from part B, you will get further. Now, find the monthly subscribing fees function for each subscriber in terms of X. So X is the number of subscribers. Okay, the monthly subscribing fees. So I let P be the monthly subscribing fees. Okay, so they say it is believed that every increase in 1. Okay, so now my subscribing fees is 100 plus. So depend on the number of subscriber, correct? So if my subscriber is 1,100, so the fees is 100. So now if it is X, so if I put here plus, so what should I do here? So I should find the difference between X and the 100, am I right? So I put 100 minus X. Then I have to divide because the question say for every drop of 5 subscribers. So I have to see the difference of these two is how many 5. So should I divide by 5 or times 5?
Divide by 5.
Yeah, divide by 5. Every 5, there is an increase of 1. That's it. So this is the function. If I explain like that, is that okay?
Miss, can
So
you
that-
explain again?
So it's like that. So because the question says, if I increase the price by 1, then the number of subscribers will drop by 5. Are you okay? So that means my X here is less than 1,000. Sorry, 1,000, huh? 1,000. I'm wrong. 1,000. So my X, like for example, if I have 92, right? My X is 92. So isn't it I have to take 1,000? 920. I take 900 minus 920. So this is the number of drop. So it dropped by 80. So how many 5? So I divide by 5. So I shouldn't do it like that. All right? So I divide by 5. So I know I can increase how much. So that is your understanding of formation of equation. So this one, I divide by 5. Yeah. So that means my subscribing fees for this case, if my number, I expect to have 920. Okay, so my subscribing fees will be 100 plus 80 divided by 5 is 16. So I can charge, if I charge 116 per month, then I only have 920 subscribers. So now I don't know what is the number of subscribers that I expected to have so that I can have a, so I write down in terms of X in this way. Are you okay? Hello? Every 5. Okay? So that is how you form the formula. So after you get that, then you will be able to do the rest. Then you go to 2C. Hello? So is it okay with 2B? So if for 2B, those who know how to do, you just write down the
Miss?
formula. Yes?
Can you explain how to do the formula again?
Okay, okay, which part you don't know? You tell me first.
The 1,000 minus x over 5.
Okay, 1,000 minus x over 5. Okay, may I know, do you know why I take 1,000 minus x?
Yes.
Okay, you tell me what is it?
The maximum number of subscribers minus the number of potential subscribers that will discontinue.
So why must I minus?
Because they will discontinue.
Yeah, because I want to know how many discontinue, correct?
Yeah.
So why I have to divide by 5?
I don't know.
Read the question, why I have to divide by 5?
Because 5 will discontinue.
Yeah, because why I have to divide by 5? Can I divide by 6? Can I divide by 7? Go back to the question, please.
Yes, miss.
Read the question. It is believed that, and I have to times 1. Where do I get the 5? Where do I get the 1? it is believed that for every increase of $1 on the subscribing fees, 5 subscribers will discontinue the service. You see why I divide by 5 then times 1? If I change
Yes,
the
miss.
question, it is believed that every increase of $2, 10 subscribers will discontinue the service. So in this case, I have to divide by 10, then times 2. Hello?
Yep. Yes, miss.
So now you know why I divide by 5. I find the difference. When you say difference, always take big minus small. Are you okay? So can I continue? So it's all depend on the question. Can I continue? Okay. So let's look at part C. Okay, who are econs and accounting student? Gladys. Okay, right. Gladys, can you tell me what is the meaning of revenue?
But you earn the profit.
What you earn, no? Your income. Correct? Correct? Revenue is income. So my income is only my pay. Yeah. So that means the income from here. So they use revenue. So it will be the monthly subscribing fees per customer, correct? Per customer. Am I right? Times by what? Times by what? Times by the number of subscriber. Correct? Okay, so it will be 1,100 plus, okay, this one you can break it, 1,000 divided by 5 minus x over 5, then time x. So you got the answer. Then after that you differentiate, yeah. So if you don't know how to do part A, B, and C, you still can do part D. Am I right? You still can do part D and you still can do part D. You still can find the increase in the monthlies will yield maximum revenue. Okay. So optimization question is definitely first part. We will ask you to do the formula. So it's up to me. I can do this type. I can do geometrical shape. I can do anything about speed, and so all will depend on you. Am I right? Okay. So any other question on practice 1? Hello? Okay, no more. So any other practice? Formula first. You're supposed to change to this, which is okay. Now, what is the first thing you have to observe? You tell me how 2000 become 1000. Okay, that is the first thing you observe. How 2000 become 1000?
Miss, not 20,000.
20,000. Oh, 20,000. 20,000 become 1,000? How 20,000 become 1,000? Yeah. That means, okay, top divide by 20, bottom also divide by 20. Am I right? So you got the first step. Okay, so that is how you observe. So I got 1,000 e to the power 0.2t divide by 20, I got 49. Okay, that is how I observe. Okay, next, I observe this. This one and this one, what is the difference? You look. Here, there is a negative. Here, there isn't. So what should I do? So what should I do? You should know, am I right? You should know that A times A to the power like A to the power n times A to the power negative n, I got 1. So what you do is you show in your working top divide by e to the power negative 0.2t. Bottom also divide by e to the power negative 0.2t. So when you do the changes with this, you get 2 marks. How you get your 2 marks? You do this, you get 1 mark. You do this, you get 1 mark. That's it. If you don't want to write like that, what you can do is you just write down 20,000 e to the power 0.2t divided by 980 plus 20 e to the power 0.2t. You can times by 20 over 20. It's up to you. I time by 20 over 20, I can cut like that. So it's up to me. Then after that, I write down the step. So it's up to you how you want to write. Okay? Huh? How come your physics got physical class? Huh? Some physical, some online. Okay. I just wondering how they put the record. Okay, go. Okay. I thought you certain day is online, certain day is physical.
Miss, your class tomorrow is online.
Online also. Isn't it? In your that one, is it online?
Yeah, yes.
Lecture online. Oh, you so lecture online, then tutorial is physical. Then you have to rush for physical. That is crazy. Okay. I don't know how they do it. Okay, never mind. Okay, no more question. Okay, thank you, class. Okay, question 3.
Yeah.
Hold on. You don't have a class, is it?
Yeah, free 2 hour.
Okay, question 3, correct? Question 3, you draw the sign diagram of f prime x first. I draw for you first. So I mark down the point P. So I just put a small letter P here. Then I mark down the point Q. Then the
They got give the coordinate.
they got give the coordinate. What is the
The x
coordinate?
coordinate. For P is 2. For Q is
-2, -2.
-2. Q is
For Q.
3. And then R is
Okay, this is
5.5.
3 and R is 5.5. Okay, so this is negative, positive, positive, negative, correct? So the f double prime, you look for the shape. So you have to mark down the inflection point. Got it? So mark down the inflection point. That will be the S, that is 1. And Q, that is 3. And the T, T, that is 4, correct? 4.5. Okay, so you see, from less than 1, correct, is convex, smiling. This concave up, correct? So this is positive. Then from S to that one, this is called concave down. So this is negative. Then concave up, then concave down. So you see from here, I can do my f double prime. F double prime is negative. So if this is the x-axis, you will be down here. Then you go up. Then it will be up here. Then after 5, it will be down here. Right? So this one show it go up. Then it pass by it cut at the point x equal to 1. So the graph go like that. Go up. Until, okay, you see, from -2, sorry. So it will pass by -2. So you mark down now where it will. So here, -2, then 3, then 5.5. So you will go like that, no? Go up, then turn at 1. Go up, turn at 1. Okay. Then after 1, correct? You will come down, no?
You know, it cross at -2. I mean, go through -2.
Because -2 is the stationary point for fx, ma? There, here.
Oh, okay.
There. So it come down until
Okay.
3. Then here should have an inflection point also. Then after that, it turn here again, no? Then you go up. Okay. Then at 4.5. So you go like that. Then at 4.5, you turn, no? Then you come down all the way, no?
Oh, okay, okay. I understand.
Okay.
But are you free now? I got one more. Sorry, just one more.
Yeah, you just tell me what is it. It's okay.
Okay. This one is on the textbook one. I saw it yesterday, but I a bit confused on how to do.
Okay,
I send you a photo. I send you the photo.
Yeah. I don't have a textbook with me. You send me the photo, then I.
Okay. If it's they ask to draw the f prime x function, I have to find the f triple prime.
No lah. Usually you no need. You still can draw f prime x without f triple prime.
No, like if I want to draw f double prime x.
Can you can draw it without. You just have the f prime x, f double prime x sign diagram, then it will be fine. You show it to me now. I show you how to do without.
Okay. This one is in the textbook. They give you like the fx graph, but then they didn't give you they just give you the intercept.
I know. There's textbook question whereby they didn't give you the turning point, correct? They didn't give. They just show you the graph only. Okay, so you just tell me this exercise tomorrow. I explain.
It's 3D.2. I'll send to you in WhatsApp. Exercise 3D.2 question D.
I think we have discussed it before. Yeah, you just send it to me.
I sent already.
Oh, 3D. Sebastian, is it?
Yeah.
You are talking about 3D. Okay. Look, this is the fx graph, correct?
Yeah.
So this our questions is okay. Let me. Okay, so if you look at this graph, right, that one inflection point, 2 inflection point, here and here. You get me? So if I do my f double prime x sign diagram, it will go like that. I let this be A and I let this be B. So I mark down A here and I mark down B here. This is convex, concave, concave upward, right? So when I sketch, this one will be positive. Yeah, so you will go like that. So if you see positive, negative, positive. So if this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis, you have to pass through this point A and pass through this point B. Above, below, above. So the only way you just like that.
Oh, okay.
You see or not? So you have to use some of your imagination to do the thing. Yeah.
I understand this. Okay.
Mm. Can
Then,
or not?
yeah, no, I understand.
That's the only way. No other way.
I was scared. I thought I had to. I was like, I don't know how
Not
to approach this
necessary.
question.
Depend on the situation. Depend on the situation. Like just now that one, correct? Because I want to draw my f prime x, correct? So I have to know where it cut and whether it go down or come up.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay, I
But
understand.
this one, if you have the sign diagram just like that, correct? How should it go? That is the only way. What? Am I right?
Mm,
Mm.
okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay, welcome.